Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Namuma. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. So today I'm going to show you how I cleared my fridge after 3 weeks of being away and not using it. Jesus. What are these? What are these? First, we'll clear the fridge. Remove all the shelves for easy cleaning and drain the water in the water bottles. Yep. I mixed vinegar, lemon and water and kept in this spray bottle that I'm using to clean the insides of the fridge.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. So then, why?
After cleaning the shelves with soap and water. I let them dry for some few minutes or hours depending on how the water will drain completely. Yes, then put them back in the fridge. And this is the outcome, guys. It's looking very, very clean and sparkling. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. See you next time. Bye.